This is the BuzzCare Senior Design project. For this senior design project, the goal of the team was to design a system that could make multiple deliveries at once. And the main objective is to deliver multiple prescriptions to rural communities at once. Right now, rural healthcare is generally not very accessible to people. And people that live in rural communities have difficulty finding the medication they need because rural pharmacies just simply don't have the supplies. So the goal of the company BuzzCare is to create a system where they can deliver those prescriptions to their customers at once. Unlike their competitors, what BuzzCare wants to do is they want to deliver multiple packages, meaning multiple prescriptions, to multiple houses in rural communities at once. As it stands, most companies that are doing this are doing deliveries one at a time. And that can be incredibly wasteful, not just for the company where they can incur the cost of coming back on each trip, but that cost ends up going to the customer as well. Companies in the end need to make money. So BuzzCare wants to change things a bit. They want to make multiple deliveries at once. And that is what sets them apart from their competitors here. The drone that they're using, the SuperVolo Gen 4, has a flight time of about 7 hours, meaning that this drone can easily make multiple deliveries at once. And so right now, the way it's configured, the drone will be able to make 4 stops, meaning 4 deliveries in one flight. And that will make it more accessible, not just for rural communities, it'll be a lower cost for them. And it's a really revolutionary idea from BuzzCare to do this. How this system works is we have over here package system where the prescription medication is held in each one of those boxes. And it's going to be in a package that's impact resistant so that when it falls, none of the medications get damaged. And what's going to happen is we're going to have 2 of those on the drone, 1 on each wing for stability. But this helps a lot because it means we can make 4 deliveries in one flight. So what's going to happen is that this system that I have designed is going to carry the box with the prescription medication in here. It's going to be mostly in its closed configuration like this. This will drop 30 feet from the drone until it's 10 feet off the ground. And that is going to open. And this is designed so the package just easily falls off. The little grooves here make it so that it just easily just comes off to minimize the possibility of it getting stuck. Once it happens, this will close up again, and then this will be reeled back into the box that's shown there, and then the drone will be able to go to its next delivery. You know, with a 7-hour flight time, you can make a lot of deliveries in one flight, and that's really, really important. It means that rural healthcare is just going to be more accessible for rural communities.